Hi guys, welcome to my channel Psychic Soul Tarot. My name is Jyoti. I hope you all are doing good. Guys, this is going to be for Sagittarius. This is your love reading. If I get any message for your career, I will definitely say. So please keep in mind guys that this is going to be a general reading. This will resonate to most of you, not all of you. Okay, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest. And if you're a cross watcher, you can always reverse the energies. This is for all sun, moon, rising, Venus, Jupiter signs. So let's see what do we have in store for my Saggy. Guys, let me shuffle the cards because I have not done it today. So let me shuffle it properly. We will see what are your current energies, what are your person's current energies, what is the mutual energy between both of you, the outcome, and I think that's it. And we'll see if we have any message for singles. Okay, so if I get any message for my singles, I will definitely say. Okay, let's see. Seven of Swords in reverse and the Empress. Sagittarius, for some of you, I feel that you are certainly dealing with a person who has been hiding things from you, or this person was not being loyal to you, or this person certainly is in love with somebody else. So I certainly see a third party situation here, and they are very serious about this person, guys. Okay, this person is somebody that they would want to get married to, they would want to have a family with. So some of you, yes, I do see this person heading towards, look at this person is involved in a third party relationship and they are madly in love with this person. Okay, look at this. I cannot say, I'm sorry guys, if you feel that this is not your reading, you can exit right away, because I don't know, but I feel that whoever you are dealing with, Saggy, now this is for some of you, this person is definitely moving towards a third party, that kind of energy. All right, I do see them involved with someone for sure. It's like this person is madly in love with somebody else, that kind of energy. This person is somebody who is now going to open up to you. Some of you, you will get a shock. It's like this person coming to you and telling you about that they love somebody else, or you may feel that this person is leaving you out in the cold all of a sudden without telling you anything. That energy also. Look at this Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, they feel that this person you're dealing with, Saggy, I don't know, this person, I feel that they're running out of emotions for you. Okay, this person is running out of emotions for you, and I do see that them taking action towards a third party. All right, somebody they are involved with. In some cases, this could be a mother also. Maybe your partner is being influenced by a woman. This could be their mother who doesn't approve your relationship, and because of which also they may end things with you, or they're moving away from you. Okay, that could also be the thing. Now let's see, what are they thinking for you? What are they thinking towards you? What are their feelings towards you? Okay, look, I spoke about feelings and we have the Three of Pentacles. Okay, just see, it's just that I said and you have it. They are certainly involved. They know that you have done a lot in this relationship, but it's not in their control. This person is madly in, I don't know guys, this is a negative reading. So if some of you feel that you are in the best of phase, this is not your reading. Okay, this is for somebody else. So this person is certainly involved with somebody else, and they see you as someone who has put in so much of efforts in this relationship, but then things are not in their control anymore. That kind of, look at this, we have the High Priestess in reverse. Okay, this person is confused. Okay, this person is confused. You may view them, this person is somebody who is hiding things from you. They are not being transparent to you. They are certainly hiding something from you, and this is, in most cases, I feel this is it's like, not that this person is bad, but I feel their emotions are more towards somebody else. Okay, I don't see, yeah, I feel sorry, but I don't know. So let's see what are your energies, Saji. We will see what are your energies, and then we'll see the mutual energies. We'll see how are you feeling towards this person. We'll see how are you feeling towards this person. Okay, I've got these cards. Five of Pentacles and Knight of Wands. This is in reverse. See, you know it, guys. You know that this person has left you all of a sudden. You know it. Okay, some of you, I certainly feel that this person may have already left you. You know it. This person is somebody who may have left you in your bad times, or somebody who may have neglected you. You know, something like this. Yeah. So this person has left you. You know it. You are hoping, you're still hoping that this person will come back to you and try to make it work. Okay, that kind of, oh my god, see, we have two cards in reverse. Six of Cups and Ace of Cups in reverse. Now this could mean that maybe some of you, I think you already have somebody new in your life who is head over heels. They are trying to approach you, call you, text you, but you guys are like, no, I'm not interested. Okay, that you are just not interested. You are turning their offer, that kind of energy. I certainly see that there's somebody who is very much interested in you. Now this could be a Scorpio, a Pisces, or a Gemini. Okay, these three sun signs are prominent here. So maybe somebody with these three sun signs, or since it's a general reading, this could be somebody else also, but for most of you, I feel that this new person could be a Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, and this person is there in your life already. Okay, this person is trying to help you. They are trying to give you signals that they're interested in you, but you are like, no, you are still waiting for this person to come back, and you know, you're still waiting for things to work out with this person, that kind of energy. By the way, this person who is trying to move away to the third party, this could be a Leo, a Gemini, or a Taurus. Okay, maybe this person who is moving towards a third party, their sun sign, either this could be a Leo, a Gemini, or a Taurus. Let's see what other messages do we have. In some cases, I feel that your person is not well. They may be recovering. Okay, this person is not well. This person you are dealing with, guys, I feel this person is not happy without you. Okay, this person is having severe sleepless nights. Justice. See, you're still waiting for things to be in your favor. You want justice. It's like you feel that universe should, you are in this energy where you're still hoping that this person will come back to you, or this person will do something towards you, or they will realize their mistake, but I don't see this person. Okay, they're very sure about the third party. So I don't know why I get this message. Better you let this person go. Any which ways, they don't deserve you. Okay, now we have the Fool in reverse. I feel like, look at this card just wants to come out. You're still not giving up on this person. Okay, you're still not giving up on this person. You still want this person. It's like some of you, I feel that there is this new beginning. I told you that there is somebody else who has entered your life, but you still are stuck with this person. You're not willing to take a risk with the new person. You don't want to. You are in this energy where you are like, no, I don't want to get married, or you know, I'm happy being single. That kind of energy. Even if this person moves away from your life, I don't think you moving, some of you have this thought that you don't want to get into any relationship so soon. Okay, that kind of energy. But it's good, like if you can work on this relationship, why not? Okay, because I don't see you giving up on this relationship so early. So if you're very serious, you want this person, better you buckle up and you start doing things for this person, because I do see them moving on. I think this card wants to come out. Eight of Swords. See, You feel trapped in the situation. You are stuck. You're stuck. You don't know what to do. You're stuck. Some of you, I feel that you have a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders. Okay, now this is especially for people who are married. Maybe you have a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders, and your partner is your only support right now. Okay, they are being there for you, so this is a good sign. This is only for married people. Okay, somebody, I do see that in some cases you're having a lot of responsibilities, but you have support from your partner. This could be your spouse, something like this. Yeah, they're supporting you at least financially, so that is good. Now we have the Six of Swords and Page of Swords. Some of you, I certainly see that you're spying on your person. You're keeping a constant check on them, their whereabouts, etc., etc. So you are certainly keeping a check on them. Now some of you, I do see you traveling. You could be traveling to meet this person. Maybe this person stays somewhere far off, or I do see you taking the initiative to move towards this person. That is also strong over here. Okay, let's see. Ace of Swords in reverse. We have the Ace of Swords in reverse, Eight of Swords. So certainly guys, yeah, I do feel that some of you are literally giving up the hope in this relationship. Some of you may get a new job offer, but you're not accepting this offer. Okay, that's because you are content in wherever you are. You don't want to join a new business or a new contract or a new job. I do see you not interested. Maybe you are getting this offer and you are not interested. That could also be the thing here. Now guys, especially if you're single, some of you, if you're single, I do see you getting married late. So that doesn't mean you have to worry and be stressed. Okay, so definitely, especially if you're single and you're looking to marry, now this could be second marriage also, doesn't matter. So don't worry about that. Okay, you're going to get married, but I do see marriage late for some of you. So don't worry about marriage. That will happen at the divine timing. Okay, now we have the Death in reverse and Three of Wands. Some of you, I still feel that you are like, look at this, I spoke about endings. I don't know, this is a negative reading, but you are still hoping and wishing for this to work out. Okay, so you are not giving up on this person, whoever you are dealing with, Saji. And so let's see what are the mutual energies between both of you. I'm sorry guys, the cards just spilled. Let's see what are the mutual energies between both of you. Mutual energies. I think this card wants to come out. Eight of Wands. You both want to talk. You both want to talk. Your person and you both want to sit and talk. Let's see. Six of Pentacles. I think this person is going to talk to you very soon. This person, yes guys, your partner, in spite of them being involved with somebody else, this person is going to come and talk to you. They are confused. I do see them confused. One is not happy. This person is stressed, very much stressed. They don't know what to do. And I told you, this person, see, I just spoke about this and which card. This person knows that you have done a lot for them already. Okay, that is why this person is confused whether should they move towards the third, though they are very sure about the third partner, but still, okay, they are confused. They don't know what to do. I do see them coming, talking to you. Confusion. This person is someone, they are relying on destiny. Okay, now you both, this could be you and your partner both. See, you both want equal give and take in this relationship, but in spite of all of that, I feel this person is someone who is in and out in this relationship. You may feel that this person is there with you, but in spite of being with you, this person is somewhere else. They are lost in some other thoughts, they are stuck with somebody else. Okay, now for a while I do see that as far as the mutual energy is concerned between both of you, I see this person juggling you. Okay, it's like they'll be there with you, then they'll be not there, they'll be there, they'll, but buckle up. I mean, if I do see a small hope. Okay, so if you really want this to work, buckle up. For some of you, yes, certainly I feel that this person may move towards the third party. For the others of you, there is the slight hope. So okay, better you work on this, better you sit and talk, spend time with this person. Okay, maybe things change, you never know. Okay, so let's see what's the outcome in this relationship. What will be the outcome in this relationship? Ten of Cups in reverse, followed by Knight of Swords, Ace of Pentacles. Okay, look at this. We have the Two of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Knight of Swords, and Ten of Cups in reverse. As far as the outcome goes, guys, I feel that this person is someone who is going to be juggling you with somebody else. Okay, this is going to continue for a while. I do see you moving forward with a heavy heart in some cases, trying to work on this relationship. In some cases you are going to be, I told you, there is a new person now. This could be a Scorpio, Pisces, or a Gemini who may enter your life very soon. Okay, or this person is already there. You know, I had seen it somewhere here. So this person is already there in your life who is trying to make it work. So if you can focus on this person, that is good. For the others of you, be hopeful. Okay, at least keep trying. I do see here Temperance over here, so which is good. You know, you guys are not giving up, which is good. Okay, you're waiting for justice, you're waiting for things to work between both of you, which is good. All right, so let's see what else. See, bottom of the deck is the Devil in reverse. This person, in spite, I told you, this person is stuck with you. You both are stuck with each other. So don't give up hope, keep trying. Okay, things may work because we have the Devil here in reverse. Okay, so definitely you both have a karmic bond. You both have, you are in this relationship where this person is madly attached to you. Okay, I do see a lot of attachment. This could be anything, but I do see that you guys are in a karmic relationship. So it's not easy for this relationship to break. So that is why buckle up. Some of you, that's the message that I see. You guys buckle up. See if you can work on this relationship, because it is like a strong connection. Okay, I think if you work on this, things may get better. Okay, so don't lose hope and work on this relationship. So let's see what advice do we have for my Sagittarius. We'll see if we have any advice. The first card that flipped is within the next few weeks. So maybe some of you, you're going to reconcile with this person. And if you're expecting for a reunion or reconciliation, I do see that happening within the next few weeks. For the others of you, I think, wait, I told you. Some of you, you're waiting for this justice. Meditation brings answers. Some of you, you're being asked to meditate or follow your intuition. Okay, you will get your answers. Let's see any other message for my Saggy in the near future. So maybe you're expecting things to work between both of you and that's not happening. You're stuck in this relationship. So whatever it is, guys, I think some of you, that's the message for you. Everything is going to work for you, but it is going to take time. It won't happen so early. Okay, so now this is also for some of you who, you know, maybe you're single, you're desperately waiting to get married. I do see you being impatient. Okay, you are going to get married, but for some of you there is a delay in marriage. Okay, maybe you're looking to get married and you are not getting married, and that's frustrating. Okay, you are upset, disturbed, and I do see marriage for you, but it may take a while. Okay, now this could be 4 years, 5 years, something like this. So there is a delay in marriage for some of you. Okay, because you're destined to get married at a later phase. That's the message that I see here. Okay, so let's see what else. What advice do we have? We'll see if we have any advice. Let's see what message do we have from here. The first card that flipped is deceit. I told you your person is involved with a third partner. Okay, the second card, that is rest and rejuvenation. So this has come twice. Okay, this is a time to focus on your inner self. Look for answers. Look for answers within yourself, Saji. That's the message. I do see that some of you are involved with a person who is cheating on you. So see, this has come again as a reassurance for you. You can read it yourself. So I think this card wants to come out. Door to romance. So be ready for new love. New love is on your way. It's there already in your life. For some of you, I do see that you have somebody who is trying hard to woo you or something like this. Okay, now I do see new love, but you are focused on this stupid person. What do I do? Let's see what other message do I have. Second chakra, Archangel Ariel. So you guys are being blessed. Okay, you guys have the blessings of your angels. So maybe you guys are worried. You're worrying a lot about what will happen, when will it happen, worrying about this partner, worrying about your marriage. You don't have to, guys. You don't have to. See, things are going to happen for you. It will happen at the divine time. Okay, just wait, have faith. Universe is working for you. All right. Okay, I've got two more cards here. Sixth chakra, intuition and blossoming abundance. Some of you, I think you are going to prosper as far as your career is concerned. I do see prosperity. So maybe, you know, you are going to get some offer. I do see a job offer already for some of you, job offer, or this could be a new contract. I don't know. That I had seen here also. But I do see you guys are going to be in a better place very soon. Okay, you are going to feel abundant. For the others of you, yes, follow your intuition. I told you meditation brings answers. This has come here also. So focus on your intuition. Think, don't hurry, don't get into any relationship just for the heck of it. Focus, think, what should you do? Should you be involved with this? Should you continue with this person, or is it the time to let them go? So listen to your intuition. Okay, you have that intuition in you. You have your sixth sense. Focus on your sixth sense, focus on your intuition, and then take a decision. Okay, so that is it, Sagittarius. I really hope you enjoyed this reading, and if you did, I would request you to please like this video, and if you're new to my channel, do subscribe my channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you get instant notifications. All other information I've mentioned below in the description box, you can check there. And that is it, guys. You be safe, take care, bye.